Android 9 Pie is coming to the HTC U11 Life. It will be the first HTC device to get the latest update of the great operating system since the release of Pie in August. The HTC U11 was launched in the summer of 2017 with Android Nougat out of the box, and then received the Oreo update shortly after its release. The HTC U11 Life is surpassing the company's flagship device in 2018, the HTC U12 Plus, to obtain Pie. However, it makes sense that the U11 Life International is the first HTC model to receive the update, since it is an Android One device. Now that Android 9 is available for Life, it could mean that it will not be long until other HTC devices receive the update in the future. HTC has said that the U12 Plus, U11 and U11 Plus will also receive Pie at some point.